I've always had like a project car and always wanted to make it fast. So, I mean, I figured why not turn my hobby into like a job, you know? I'm Andres Valencia. I live in Houston, Texas, but I was born in Colombia. Yeah, I was on the Mustang team. It was a really funny team. I feel like we had a lot of fun on that team, even while learning. I'm a really hands-on learner, so this helped a lot. It was an awesome experience, and we got to work on some cool cars, make them fast. But I feel like it's the classmates that really make the classes strong. And if they notice that you're working hard, you like what you're doing, and you're dedicated to tuner school, it's possible for you to get a job at Hennessey as well. I got hired probably like 2 or 3 weeks before the semester ended, and I pretty much just started that Monday after graduation. I definitely recommend it. It's a great school.